That's definitely not good. Okay.
Click over to budgetvapors.com to get some of my most favorite flavors in the entire industry for 15% off using my promo code Gabe sent ya. When you use my promo code over on Budget Vapors, you can get 120 milliliters of premium e-liquid for just $8.49. Also available on budgetvapors.com is my juice line. The Light Designs liquid line is available in 60 and 120 milliliter bottles. Both my juice line and the many delicious Budget Vapors flavors are developed in a high quality lab down in Florida. When you pick up my juice line or use my promo code, it really helps keep the Light Designs program going, so thank you all so much for helping support the channel. I really appreciate it.
So I originally bought this bike to be kind of like a reliable daily bike, and then I immediately had to start doing a ton of work on it. Definitely could use a little tinkering. I know that the mixture needs to be adjusted. It feels like it's running a little bit too. Feels like it's running a little bit too rich because it gets bogged down pretty easy. But it doesn't feel like it's getting leaned out, and it feels like it could use some new pilot jets. It feels when you're kind of at idle and kind of when you're at mid-range RPM, it definitely feels like it kind of sags a little bit to like build up your RPMs. I'm sure you can hear it, and then it kind of kicks in. See that? So that sounds like a pilot jet type thing to me. It gets very bogged down. This is where I do all my burnouts. Let's see if we got one on this bike first. It doesn't have enough front tire. A little bit. Here it is. It could use a nice cleanup. That's definitely not good. Okay. My car's definitely duking out gas right now. I don't care. Yo, somebody burnt this mattress. The idle set too high right now. Purposefully. I've purposely set the idle too high so it doesn't die. What up? How you doing, man? What you doing, dog?
I was saying what's up to the camera.
I just jumped this thing. Yo, we got this thing to shoot some flames. That's awesome, dude. Alright, we got a red light here. Oh no, it's green. Fucking crap.